morning, student. Welcome to class 3rd. We are going to start the chapter 1, that is numbers. You have already studied about the numbers in the previous classes. We are using the numbers everywhere. Before starting the chapter, I have a query. Can you imagine a life without the numbers? Students, think about it. I think probably not. You cannot imagine life without the numbers. Like in school, we are using the numbers like our roll number, our registration numbers, like mobile numbers, Aadhaar card numbers, etc. We are using the numbers in various ways. Here, let's begin with the example. In class 2nd, you have studied one digit number, that is 1 to 9. 9 is the greatest one digit number. So 9 plus 1, that became 10. It is the smallest two digit number, right? Two digit number. 10 is the smallest two digit number and 99 is the greatest two digit number. But when we will add 1 to 99, it will become 100. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So it is the smallest 3-digit number. In a 3-digit number, 100 to 999. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number and 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. But when we will add 999 plus 1, it will become 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the 4-digit number. So what will become here? It is the smallest 4-digit number. Now 4-digit number is in your syllabus. We have to study about the 4-digit number. Up till 3-digit number you have studied in class 2nd. 4-digit number 1000 to 9999. 9999 is the largest 4-digit number. But when we will add 1 to it, what will become here? 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the smallest 5-digit number. Now we are going to study the 4 important terms, that is first natural number, second whole number, third even number and fourth odd number. We are going to revise these 4 terms. You have already studied this in class 2nd. First is natural number. Natural number is any counting number. Like for example, I am having this pen, okay, and I am going to start the counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many pens I have? 8. So in this way, if we are counting, it is known as the natural number. Now a whole number. 0 before any natural number is known as the whole number. I didn't start the counting from the 0. It is started from the 1 itself. So it is the natural number. But when we will count from like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is known as the whole number. Now next term is even number. Even number, the number which is divisible by the 2, that is known as the even number. Like for example, you have studied the table of 2. Like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 and 4 both are even number because it is divisible by 2. Like 2, 4, 6, 8. These all numbers are coming in the table of the 2. So it is the even number. Now the odd number. What is the odd number? Odd number is when it is not divisible by 2. So it is the odd number like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are not coming in the table of the 2. So it is the odd number. We cannot group this number. So it is also known as the odd number. Now we are going to start our first exercise, that is exercise 1.1. Our first question is write the following in thousands, hundreds, tens and ones.
So what you have to do, students, you have to identify the position of these numbers. Firstly, you have to write the position of this number. Like 7 is at which position? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now what you have to do? 3397. 3 at which position? It is at thousand place. You have to write 3000s. Now 3 again, 3 at which position? It is at hundreds place. So you have to write 300s. 9 at which position? At tens place. So you have to write 9 tens. 7 at which position? It is at ones place, right? So you have to write 7 ones. Next, our next point is 4641. What you have to do? Write ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 4641. 4 at which position? Thousand place. So 4 thousands. 6 at which position? Hundreds place. So you have to write 6 hundreds. 4 at which position? It is at tens position. So you have to write 4 tens. 1 at which position? Ones place. So you have to write 1 ones. Next 3 points is your homework. You have to do this in Max Fair copy. Our second question is write the number for each of this. It is the opposite of the above question. In first question what we have done, number is there and we have written the position of the number. Now in this question position is there, place is there, so you have to write the number at proper place. Now we are going to start from the ones. 7 at ones position, so we are going to write 7 at ones position. Now 2 at tens place, so we have to write 2 at tens place. Next 9 at hundred place, so you have to write 9 over here. Now 6 at thousand place, so you have to write 6 over here. What the number became? 6927. Similarly you have to do like this. 5 at thousands place, 5 at hundreds place, 9 at tens place and 4 at ones place. So we are going to start from the ones number. Ones position, which number is there? 4. We are going to write 4. And at tens place, which number? 9. Write 9. At hundred position, which number is there? 5. So you have to write 5. Now at thousand place, which number? 5. What the number became? 5594. Next point you have to do in your Max Fair copy. It is your homework. Our third question is write the following in expanded form. First number is 3762. Firstly, you have to write the position of this number. 2 at which position? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now what you have to do? You have to expand this number. Write 3 at which position? Thousand. So we will multiply it by 1000. We will expand this number by multiplying it by 1000. So we have multiplied 3 by 1000. Now 7 at which position? Hundreds. So 7 multiplied by 100. 6 at which position? Tens. So 6 multiplied by 10. Now 2 at ones place. So simply we have written 2. You can write 2 multiplied by 1 also. It is also correct. Now second point, similarly you have to do like this. 1 at which position? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now 6 at thousand place, we have to expand this number by multiplying it by 1000. So I have multiplied 6 by 1000. 8 is at which position? It is at hundreds place, so we have multiplied it by 100. 4 at tens place, so we have multiplied it by 10. And 1 at ones place, so simply we have written 1. You can multiply by 1 also. It is also correct. Next 3 points you have to do in your Max Fair copy. It is a homework. Our next question is question number 4. Write the numeral for each. Here this point is given like this. It is the opposite of the above question. What we have done in our question, simply number is there, we had expanded. Now in this question, it is given in the expanded form and you have to write this in a standard form, or directly you have to write the numerals. Right? Now 7 multiplied by 1000, what it became? 7000. So write 7 at thousands place. 3 multiplied by 100, at which position? Hundreds place. So write 3 at hundreds place. Now 6 multiplied by 10, what it's become? 60. So it is at tens place. So write 6 at tens place. Now 4 at which position? Ones place. So write 4. What the number became? 7364. Similarly, you have to do this. 5 multiplied by 1000, what it's became? 5000. And 5 is it is at which position? Thousands place. So you have to write at thousand place. 7 multiplied by 100, what it's became? 700. 700. And 3 multiplied by 10, what it's became? 30. Write 30. Now 7 at ones position, so you have to write 7 over here. What it's became? 5737. Next, all the points you have to do in your Maths Fair copy. It is very easy and simple question.